Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use your Chime debit card. This tutorial will walk you through the step-by-step process of using your Chime debit card for various transactions. First, ensure you have activated your Chime debit card by following the instructions provided with your card. You can activate your card through the Chime mobile app or by calling the phone number on the back of your card. Once your card is activated, you can start using it for purchases, withdrawals, and other transactions. To make a purchase, simply swipe or insert your card at a merchant location. Select the debit option and enter your personal identification number or PIN. You can also use your Chime debit card for online transactions by entering your card details, including the card number, expiration date, and security code, on the merchant's website. To withdraw cash, locate an ATM, insert your card, and follow the prompts to select your account and enter your PIN. Be aware that some ATMs may charge a fee for withdrawals, so it is essential to check with Chime for a list of fee-free ATMs. To check your account balance, use the Chime mobile app or visit the Chime website. You can also set up account alerts to notify you of low balances, large transactions, or suspicious activity. When using your Chime debit card, it is essential to practice good security habits, such as keeping your card and PIN secure, monitoring your account activity regularly, and reporting any suspicious transactions to Chime immediately. In addition, Chime offers various features to help you manage your spending, including the option to turn your card on or off, set spending limits, and receive real-time transaction alerts. By following these steps and best practices, you can use your Chime debit card with confidence and take advantage of the many benefits it offers. Remember to always keep your account information and card details secure to protect yourself from potential fraud and unauthorized transactions. Using your Chime debit card is easy and convenient, and with these tips, you can get the most out of your card and enjoy a hassle-free banking experience.